Tools! With the real tool, Hank the Hog.
Hey ho there, everyone! It is I, Hank the Hog, here for another edition of Tools! And today we're gonna find out what a tub grinder is, so I'm gonna get my ducky and scrub brush. But first, let's take a look at what a tub grinder is here on Tools! Joining me now is Public Works Director Chris Petrie. How are you today, Chris?
Good, Hank. Yourself?
Oh, I'm so excited
Good.
with this tub grinder thing. Can you tell me a little
Pretty
bit about
cool.
why we're using this?
Well, we're using a tub grinder because of the sheer volume of vegetation and other materials that we picked up from the storm on June 19th. Simple, typical methods of chipping it with the chippers that the city owns or can rent just simply aren't enough. So we had to enlist the help of a contractor with a large tub grinder.
So virtually, you could put a whole forest in that thing, couldn't you?
You sure could, and we did.
Yeah. Now, how many yards of trees did you guys end up grinding?
We actually had about 8,000 yards, Hank.
8,000 yards. Put that in terms this pig can understand.
Well, have you seen the orange dump trucks that plow your streets, Hank,
Yes, sir.
in Lakeville?
Yes.
That's about 1,000 of those trucks.
Incredible. Oh my goodness. Well, it's a good thing we have this thing here to clean up that storm mess, isn't it, Chris?
It's really good. We're happy to have it here, Hank.
Round and round that tub grinder goes, getting rid of all the storm-damaged trees. Hey folks, wasn't that a cool apparatus? And I knew that you'd love to see it this month on Tools! So we'll see you next time when I, Hank the Hog, show you another incredibly fantastic tools we use here at the City of Lakeville to help keep our citizens safe and well protected. Have a good night's sleep, folks. That took me about 20 takes, so this is as good as it gets. See you next time on Tools!